Jai Hind, my dear children. Welcome you all to the next session of our EVS online class. Children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In EVS, we have completed 5 chapters. Children, have you all completed the notes of these lessons? Have you all read the textbook? Okay, good. Today, we are moving on to the next chapter in your EVS textbook, that is chapter 6, Omena's Journey. In this lesson, we are having the beautiful experience of Omena's train journey. Before going to the details of this lesson, shall I ask some questions to you? Are you ready to answer these questions? Yes. Children, do you have any experience of train journey? Which place did you travel? With whom did you travel? With your friends or family members? With whom do you like to travel? Children, I know you may have different answers for these questions. This lesson is about Omena's experiences in the train journey. Through this lesson, we will able to observe and identify the people, places and the nature which Omena watches from the window of the train and also at the platform of the railway station. We can locate the states through which Omena passes through, and also we can know about the people who works inside the train and also at the platform of the railway station. Let us go into the lesson. The first page of the lesson is a beautiful page from Omena's diary. Omena is a little girl like you, but she starts write diary. Now see how it happens and how Omena start writing the diary. Now see the first page in Omena's diary. Omena and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Omena was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. Omena's father had gone to book train ticket for both the families. Omena and her best friend Radha were very much excited. Children, do you know why they were very much excited? Because they were going to a trip to Kerala. Omena was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family. Now listen to second paragraph of page number 47 in your textbook. Then, just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. The two friends were very sad. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on the trip. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. Omena, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way you will not forget anything and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. So children, 2 days before the journey, Radha fell down from the bicycle and fractured her leg. So now we can see that both the friends were very sad. So Radha's Amma had an idea. She asked Omena to write down all the experiences, that is all the train journey experiences in a diary, so that when she came back, Radha can read all the experiences she faced in the train journey or trip. These children, you can also start writing diary. Diary writing is a beautiful hobby. You can write your own dreams, your feelings, and whenever you get excited, whenever you get hurts, all the things you can note down in your diary. So children, now it is lockdown time and you are at home and you are away from friends and teachers, and so this is the best time to write a diary. You can decorate your diary with a creative work also. The train started from Gandhidham in Gujarat and Omena boarded the train from Ahmedabad. As soon as they reached the station, they looked the reservation chart in the platform. What is the reservation chart? Reservation chart is a chart which shows the names of all passengers who reserved their ticket in advance. Let me repeat once more. Reservation chart is a chart which shows the names of all passengers who reserved their ticket in advance. Now let us see from where the train started and from where Omana started her journey. The train had started early morning from Gandhidham in Gujarat and Omana boarded the train from Ahmedabad, which is also in Gujarat. Children, do you know which is the capital of Gujarat? Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Children, do you know why there is too much crowd at the door of the coach? Yes. There are some people who are getting off and some other people are pushing and trying to keep their luggage inside the train through a single door. So there is so much crowd at the door of the coach. Children, do you know anything about a ticket collector? What is the role of ticket collector? The main duty of the ticket collector is to check the tickets and make sure that all the passengers are there in their allotted seats. How can you identify a ticket collector? By seeing his uniform. He wears a black coat and wears a railway badge. Now let us see Omana's seat inside the train. Amma and Appa had the lower berths. Unni and I have the middle berths. There are 2 college students who have the upper berths. On other berths, there is a family with 2 children. They seem to be about our age. Now I am sitting near the window and I have started writing about our journey just as I had promised you. I will stop now because Amma has opened the tiffin box. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. Children, do you know what are the food items that we should carry with us when we are going for a trip in train? Do you know? Yes, usually we carry food items like biscuits, fruits, dry fruits, nuts, lemon rice, etc. Why we are carrying this type of food items? Yes, you are right. Usually these food items do not spoil easily. So, while we are traveling, we must carry the food items which do not spoil easily. It is better not to take oily food items while traveling. The reason is that it will cause indigestion. So, we must take only light food while traveling. Omana saw many beautiful scenes from the window of the train. She saw many fields, but all the fields are brown and dry. She saw many small villages. All these villages are flying by. She seems to be flying by. And she saw the beautiful sunset scene through the window of the train. For Omana, the sunset scene seems to be so beautiful and she is so much impressed by that. And she had never saw this type of scene in Ahmedabad. Children, while traveling in a train, have you ever noticed what are the things that sold at railway station? Can you name some things? We can buy toys, books, fast food items, cold drinks, etc. from the railway station. At the railway station, Omana saw hawkers selling some food items like chai, vada, then puri and vegetable curry, then cold milk, etc. Now let us see the people who works in the train and at the railway station. First one is loco pilot. Do you know? Have you ever heard this word? Yes, loco pilot is the person who runs and controls the train. Loco pilot runs and controls the train. Then ticket checker. I told you earlier that ticket checker is the person who checks the ticket and also check all passengers are there in their allotted seats. How we can identify a ticket checker? He wears a black coat and also wears a name tag on his chest. Railway police, he ensures the safety and security of the passengers. ensures the safety and security of the passengers in the train. What porter? Porter carries luggage of the passengers. Porter carries luggage of the passengers. Then about guard. What is the duty of the guard? You know? The guard gives signals to the train. The duty of the guard is to give signals to the train. The ticket seller, he sells tickets. The duty of the ticket seller is to sell tickets. Then about cleaner, cleaner cleans inside the train and also the railway station. The duty of the cleaner is to clean the train and the surrounding areas. Children, now let us see which are the states that Omana had to travel to reach our state Kerala. She had to travel the states Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and then she reached our state Kerala. Now, can you imagine what a long journey it was? As Omana continues her journey, we will also enjoy her journey. Do you know how? Because Omana had written everything in her diary. Children, can you point out some benefits of train journey? Yes. It is very cheaper and it is safe. To travel inside the train is very safe and it is very cheaper. Then second point is we can meet new people. We can taste many new food items while we traveling. We get to see new places and we came to know about a different language and a different culture of different people. So these are the some benefits of a train journey. So then here ends the chapter Omana's journey. I think you all have understood the portions that I taught you today. And what you have to do is to read the textbook and find out the answers for textual exercise questions. Majority of the questions I discussed here in the video itself. So you have to copy this in your textbook. That's all for today. Thank you children. Bye bye.